everybody, welcome to my video today. I'm really excited to share with you this bundle of product that is coming out tomorrow, August 1st. These items are going to be available to purchase. They were available to purchase for demonstrators last month, and I had a lot of fun creating with these. This is the Color Your Season limited edition items. So you can see here some samples, and then this is the product here. So we have the stamp set. It's a double stamp set, so it's, you know, 1 of 2 and 2 of 2. What I like to do is just put all of my pieces into one case, and then I slip out the front of the second piece and put it in the back. So all my pieces stay together, and I kind of know that that is the same stamp set. They're fairly large pieces. You can see here, you're going to be able to do a lot of coloring with these. And they have great sentiment. So there's some Christmas, a thank you, Merry Christmas, wishing you all the best, you're the friend everyone wishes they had. And then just some great images here. I love the holly and the Merry Christmas, and then these leaves are really great. So that's the stamp set, and then it coordinates with this die set. So you can see you get several of these frames right here. You get 3 of them. And this is a great image for a label. It's really great. And if you look closely at these dies, they're double stitched. So that means it stitches the outside of the frame and the inside. So you're going to get a lot of use out of those. There is a little leaf die here, and then this little floral image, which I love. It looks like this. I just love the way that cuts. And then you have a couple other images here that you're going to be able to use. So that's the die set. You can see here's some different sizes that I cut, and the stitching is really gorgeous around them. You guys know I'm a sucker for anything that is stitched. So those are the 3 sizes right here. And I did it in red and green because it was fitting for Christmas, right? So those traditional colors. And then the other thing that we are releasing is the colored pencils. There's 10 new colors for our lineup, and they include Gorgeous Grape and Night of Navy, Granny Apple Green, Flirty Flamingo. It's a great colored pencil to have, that pink color. And they just round out our colored pencil collection. So these are really great. So what I thought I would do is make this into one of my new things I'm doing with you guys, which is like a you can make it kind of thing. Last time we did it with the Best Route stamp set, and we had 4 card kits. So if you purchased the stamp set, then you got to make the cards. So this time around, I thought I would do it with this. Sometimes we get these products and we're so excited, and we get the stamp set and we get the die set, and then we're not sure what to do with it, and that can feel very overwhelming. So for this, I think I'm going to call it You Can Make It. We'll do like a You Can Make It monthly, and what you do is if you purchase the stamp set and the die set, first you're going to get 10% off because you can get the bundle. And then you're going to get 2 card kits to go along with that. And we have the Merry Christmas card here, and then we have a really fun fall card that has some gold foil on it and some fun coloring. I'm going to take you guys through how I colored this and some options for some really simple coloring. This turned out gorgeous, but it's really simple, and I want to share that with you guys. So we have a fall card and a Merry Christmas card. So here's how it's going to work. You can just go on my online store for Stampin' Up. You can use the host code that's going to be listed below to just purchase this, or there are some option buttons down below. You can do option 1, which is just the stamp set, the bundle, and you get it at this 10% off price, which is $64.75, or option 2, which there's a button right below a buy it now button where you can get all 3 of these things, and then you get the card kit. So you can see that down below. It's super easy to purchase. You just do that. I'll take care of making sure everything gets purchased for you. You'll have the card kits that will come right to you with an exclusive video where I walk you through how to put all of this together, and then that way you get your product, you get to make something, and you feel good about the stuff that you bought, and you feel inspired to make more, right? So I hope that you guys are enjoying this. I'm doing my best to make it as easy as possible for you guys to get inspired to use your product and to dive in and use it. So this is my second kit where I am doing a card kit type thing with a product. So I hope you guys are enjoying this and this is helpful. If you have any suggestions of some stamp sets you would like to see me use for this, I would love to share that with you guys. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. There's a supply list in the description below and all the information on my website, and I will be back. All of this is available if you're just ordering it through my online store tomorrow. The options below for just purchasing it right through me, if you don't want to go through the store, are down below and you can do that. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will talk to you guys later this week with some more projects. Have a great day, you guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.